Hello guys, welcome to this new vlog. இந்த vlog வந்து இட்ஸ் ஆல் அபவுட் ஏர்கிராஃப்ட்ஸ். நான் பெங்களூர் வந்து அந்த ஃபெப் 19 போனது, அந்த vlog தான் இப்போ வரப்போகுது. இப்போ நீங்கள் பார்க்குறீங்க. இது வந்து ரொம்ப லேட்டாக தான் போஸ்ட் பண்ணுறேன். ஸோ இந்த வீடியோவில் வந்து ஃபுல்லாகவே ஏர்கிராஃப்ட்ஸ் பற்றி இருக்கும். அண்ட் ஓல்டன் டேஸில் வந்து எக்ஸ்போர்ட் பண்ண யூஸ் பண்ண ஏர்கிராஃப்ட்ஸு அண்ட் ஹெலிகாப்டர்ஸ், ரெஸ்கியூக்காக யூஸ் பண்ண ஹெலிகாப்டர்ஸ், அதை பற்றி இருக்கும். ஸோ ஐ ஹோப் யூ லைக். வீடியோக்குள்ளே போயிடலாம். சரி.
Hindustan Aeronautics Limited (HAL) is among the strongest global players in the aerospace sector today. HAL's world-class aerospace design and manufacturing infrastructure and technical expertise has placed the company among the top in the industry in Asia. HAL began its journey in 1940, led by a visionary Seth Walchand Hirachand. It grew to become the largest overhaul facility in Southeast Asia in the Second World War. In the early 50s, HAL earned the distinction of becoming the first Asian country to roll out fighter jets. The passion for excellence continues, and today HAL is one of the few aerospace companies in the world with a diverse range of verticals, building fighters, trainers, helicopters, transports, engines and aerospace products. In its journey towards building homegrown aircraft, the light combat aircraft Tejas holds a place of pride in the world map of fighter jets. Tejas Mark 1A, an advanced version, has enhanced aircraft endurance and capability to make it more lethal. LCA Navy is a step ahead in technological augmentation for undertaking carrier-based missions. The LCA Air Force twin-seater variant is an ideal lead-in fighter trainer which imparts comprehensive and realistic training to fighter pilots. With its wide experience in building trainers, the Hindustan Turbo Trainer HTT-40 is an ab initio trainer aircraft designed to meet primary training requirements for pilots. The intermediate jet trainer, called HJT-36, is an indigenously designed and developed modern trainer. HAL has an unmatched track record of having built several hundred helicopters of different types for the defense forces over the past 50 years. Dhruv, the Advanced Light Helicopter ALH Mark III, is a multi-role, multi-mission new generation helicopter in the 5.5-ton weight class. The ALH is built to meet both military and civil needs. The Advanced Light Helicopter Mark IV Rudra is the armed platform designed to carry external stores. It is designed for self-defense and attack. Mark IV is in service with the Army and the Air Force. The Light Combat Helicopter LCH is a dedicated combat helicopter fitted with select weapon systems and inbuilt stealth characteristics. The sleek helicopter is designed for low detection and is fitted with crash-worthy landing gear for better survivability. The light utility helicopter LUH belongs to the 3-ton weight class to cater to military and civil needs. The LUH is designed to operate in high altitudes with ease. It has been extensively tested in diverse environments to expand its flight envelope. The DO-228 is a versatile, multi-purpose aircraft serving the Indian Navy and Coast Guard to carry out maritime surveillance and reconnaissance. DO-228 now has a 19-seater upgraded civil version. Su-30 MKI, the twin-engine fighter built under license at HAL, is the mainstay of the IAF fighter fleet. The Su-30 has been integrated with the 2.5-ton supersonic BrahMos cruise missile. Hawk Mark 132 is an excellent transonic trainer and ground attack aircraft. The platform has been upgraded with indigenous glass cockpit and mission computer. HAL has ventured successfully into designing gas turbine engines for aircraft. A 25-kilo Newton thrust Hindustan turbofan engine, HTFE-25, has been developed to power military jets and trainers. The Hindustan turboshaft engine, HTSE-1200, is under development with advanced features to power helicopters in challenging environments. The 13-ton Indian multi-role helicopter, IMRH, is under preliminary design stage and awaiting project sanction. HAL has completed the preliminary design of the 200-kilogram RUAV. 5 platforms, which are nearly 60 years old with the Indian Defence Forces supported by HAL. Midlife upgrades of Jaguar, Su-30 MKI, the DO-228 and Mirage 2000 ensure a longer lifespan with contemporary features integrated. From aviation to aerospace, HAL is exploring greater heights. A dedicated facility manufactures and integrates complex satellite launch vehicle stages to support the space missions of the country. HAL, in partnership with ISRO, will produce high-thrust cryogenic engines for powering the next generation launch vehicles. HAL products are not limited to air and space domains. The LM2500 marine gas turbines, which power the indigenous aircraft carrier Vikrant and the P-17A frigates were built, tested, installed and supported by HAL. HAL's commitment to long-term life cycle support has attracted customers from abroad. Aircraft like Dhruv, Lancer, Cheetah, Chetak, Cheetal and the DO-228 are exported to friendly countries. HAL's wide basket of offerings of aircraft and their associated systems, coupled with long-time support, makes HAL a reliable partner to keep the industry in tune with the changing times.
ஸோ கைஸ், இந்த வீடியோ பார்த்துருப்பீங்க ஃபுல்லாக ஏர்கிராஃப்ட்ஸ் பற்றி. ஸோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருக்கோன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். அண்ட் நீங்களும் நிறைய புது விஷயம் கற்றுருப்பீங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். அண்ட் தேங்க்யூ கைஸ் ஃபார் வாட்சிங். லைக் பண்ணுங்கள் அண்ட் ஷேர் டு ஆல் யுவர் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ். தோஸ் ஆர் இன்ட்ரெஸ்டட் இன் த ஏவியேஷன் ஏர்கிராஃப்ட்ஸ் ரிலேட்டட் பற்றி யாரா இருந்தாங்கன்னா அவங்களுக்கு ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். அண்ட் மறக்காமல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ கைஸ் ஃபார்